A cheer for reporter Airbus from Ultimate FM, Ashanti region. One sorry, you know, they've seen 5 bodies. Just say bodies 5, bako 5 ewu nkrofo on the streets of Kumasi. You know, baby idea we see one. The people over there, they are in fear, and that me know can say police for alcohol. Akwa pija body no na nsem you me de bebom na maye ne ba ko na police for years and obviously nkrofo a wo mu ewu deda because wo mo buy wo mo check pulse hu say nkrofo no they are not alive enti e wo say ye de omo mortuary na nkrofo we ye nim de eku omo because there is no gun or there are no gun wounds on them. There are no signs of struggling say ebia wo bi na be robi omo a wokun omo and now will be never wo omo second come there just say like those mojanes are eni ho inti senior ya sorry here the next day na ye hu 5 bodies say at that kwan so street so there ehu wo kranka ebebo hu because you be thinking say dey na ekun omo is it coronavirus, what is it inti anu hunti and the police for omo there they can't do much. Don't be yan say ebia omo e de be come mortuary. Na police for say omo de come mortuary no and a mortuary for no so ka say da bi womo mpene e ma body no yan fa to mortuary ho and womo inform nsa enka body no because womo nim say ebia coronavirus. Iti yenya coronavirus test e ma nkrofo na nsa body no mu ewu no yenya coronavirus test ni ehu ne say coronavirus na ayo omo ana coronavirus na eku omo a then we see the proper way to dispose the body off because yes the body be ewu from coronavirus and still you can be infected by it obi wu from coronavirus and the person can still infect you. You know, I feel said the call from mortuary no omo a womo ehwe efunu no a womo dress efunu no the call from them, and I think it is a right call. Now talking about this me the mortuary assembly bebo so na me read the comments Ghana for the omo can on this because we want to get more information ayenya from Ultimate FM no they've actually not even stated the place say ebia Kumasi Asokwa ana Amokum ana ahase and ade we esi wo mbo place in the omo can say Kumasi and Ultimate FM for Ediaba. When me reporter be I friend Isaac Bediakon wono and I say one mortuary for no edidi nkomo a mortuary for no and so eka womo so womo de womo pese ye ema womo no eka to aso endra meba we comment so the 5 bodies no but me pese me hear another mortuary story which is actually related to where I can endra I was watching TV3 and mortuary minim them say Ghana has say mortuary for no womo ewo association na womo penyi ebe kasa na asema wo kan say Ghana mortuaries no mortuaries a ewo say Accra Kumasi ni we ni na eyema obi be bisa say mortuaries eyema say because okọ abrochi to say Italy ni we ya womo no mortuaries no ayema because of coronavirus wo a ekum nkrofo because womo no a day nkrofo over 700 800 etumiwu nti womo mortuaries na ayema Ghana the coronavirus na ekum nkrofo 8 pe eba ne say na was a mortuary eyema into explanation na eba e say and because of coronavirus ninti se wo bi this year ewu a because asem say coronavirus wo ho but still people are dying in Ghana normally it just say because of coronavirus ninti so bi this year ewu a wo mu to me be fa body no enkonko ye because ye ne aye nim Ghana send nkrofo eye den epeye so people are still keeping their bodies the bodies of their relatives at the mortuary because yabane eye yo yabane if you want to me be fa body ni say wo kosie wa wonim Ghana for send aye do ye wo pese wo ye no na nkrofo ba so they are encouraging people to do private burial say unye ye bia ene say wo boka befa audition na koko sie no but the families are rejecting because some person say coronavirus ni twemu a after 3 months or say 4 months or say the say next year cra na coronavirus ni betwem a wo mo pese say coronavirus no etwem a na wo makofa body no no mo ayeye. So the bodies are being piled up at the mortuary. I am showing here ebe another thing altogether. So that's with the mortuary case and a mortuary story eba made it and also airbosso. Now let's come to a year sa 5 dead bodies here yehu ye ewo a year Kumasi no. The person we read the comments near the Ghana phone so I can, because apparently I want to get more info. I try I'm still not getting enough info on this. Obi say it has started. As a doctor and a professor, I advise the government, but they will not take my advice. And you see, I don't want to say this is related to coronavirus because you're near test here. So I don't want to claim that this is related to coronavirus. Now, if it is related to coronavirus, you say asemwa Bill Gates here, ebeka ya Africa for ya train ya no esi ne so edi na tem no akwa ye say ya bim aseme no kan. Bill Gates here was say sa coronavirus yi nia no wonu Bill Gates here no wonne ni kunu Bill Gates ankasa. Nkrofo a wo mu esu ama no Africa for. Na the entire wo so ama Africa ne say ye ni facilities, ye ni hospitals. Amaya wo mo hospitals kra no and people are dying. Hospitals no reject you more. People are dying on the streets. Uko Ecuador said then people are dying on the streets. Ecuador ye krobia wo ma ko mo nim, they have money than Ghana. Usho mo GDP ni nyamana. But a hot kind of people are dying on the street. Into Bill Gates here, ebe cancer will suma Africa. Na ya nhwe ni year coronavirus ya nso ewo Africa. Nkrofo be sha say wo mu on the streets. Ena Ghana fo wo bi ti say so nibadu etwe na no see Bill Gates here ne so. Ekeka nsem Ghana fo nso twe on no see Bill Gates here ne so say hey Africa fo de wo bi kan cry yempe. Bill Gates here at him say ne was a wakasa. But you see, Ebola see here ever Liberia and Guinea no. It is a known fact. Say the hospitals were overwhelmed to the extent that people were dying on the streets of these countries. It is a Bill Gates here ababonte eka say some countries in Africa will no Bill Gates here any nikun a travel akono. Some countries be no yanhwe ya coronavirus bema nkofu ewuwu at streets so a. Why is it that Africa e was say your babontin ebe kasetia Bill Gates here no? That's what I'm saying. Say I just hope say nkofu wey 5 bodies here. I just hope say it is not related to coronavirus. If it is related to coronavirus, not sure say asemwa na mame no eka no ya bim. Because Kumasi for no, one sorry 5 bodies on the streets, just like that. It's here for a wa. Can you remember show? It's the first comment I'm reading here. The Nipakone air can say, was it one no why a professor would in kind a same way. So ya people will die on the street. Into another they will say a coronavirus in tea. And only as a man obi air can. Obi say this can be human sacrifice and not coronavirus. Just as I am saying, it could be anything. Ebi krana ne other criminal thing and nkrofo krano will be ne poison womo. Ebi krana nkrofo will be ne poison womo ana say womo ewu obi na ahye dan kokun womo. E na wa ahye dan de womo abeto street so. Na ebe confuse ye nani aka say hey coronavirus na Ghana as political as we are no near they play politics. It could be a lot of reasons. Intimesremo, we need to wait for the test results to come because obviously test result I was say one more year for us to know the genesis of this whole matter. Until was say you're trying for test results no say beba na we take it from there. Intimesremo for now no you shouldn't panic. I know say omo a wo was area ni musamu tie me a you are in fear. Yes, it is not normal so be sorry na we 5 bodies. Say your one body cry na say be trauma ebeto so na nye easy. Na wa so we 5 bodies on your street. It is not normal. But yes, Remo, just stay safe. Stay safe. And then I want to say something. In BBC is here. Me nim Ghana for I said ye passem. BBC yes me hwe picture na that screen so no. Hwe sen ya nkrofo epia wo mo abegina ho a wo mo ehwe. Hey, Ghana for mo passem o. Mo passem. Esi ne nanka wo hye ofie. But that be wo be pie na ni hu a wo pese wo hu no no so koka. Me kai last year me fi asori eba. Me branch ye me te me kan mu branch ya na me hu se nkrofo bebre ya me branch kwa asori. Me hu se nkrofo bebre aba begu kwan ne ho. Se article tipa track se den afa branch e bi so ekuno e wo kwan ne so enu hu se nkrofo epia ba ejina ho ehwe. Iti me te kan mu a me drive ya me hu ya na me se eh iti wo bi ewu asebe ka afa ne so a wapache da fom ho no mo ebegina ho na mo hwe eh trase wo mu gina ho na mo hwe me hu ya na me se da bi Ghana for ye passem papa yes stay home, stay safe, quarantine yourself ba hwe wo mo pia bonten me hwe me sremo bibi say isi a just mind your business, let the police take care of it. Me sremo Montreal Madron comment box ni mo me da say